Hi everyone, I'm 2024795, Batch2, grade 11, Room 5. Biology topic is making yogurt. Today I will show you how to make yogurt and how to make it step by step. These are the ingredients that will be used. First, pour the milk into the pan. Milk is pasteurized at about 90 degrees Celsius to kill the bacteria in it. It is homogenized to break up the fat globules. The light went out while the milk was being boiled, so I will switch to a gas stove and boil it. The milk will be cooled and tested to see if the temperature is at 40 or 45 degrees Celsius. At 40 or 45 degrees Celsius, a Stella or two species of bacteria, Streptococcus, Thermophilus, and Lactobacillus bulgaricus, is added, which turn the lactose milk sugar in milk lactic acid. I will pour the milk that has already been mixed into the clay pot. After that, the clothed clay pot will be securely tied and left for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I will have a delicious and thick creamy yogurt. Thank you so much to all people who watched my making yogurt till the end. Have a beautiful new day.